In this video, I'm going to walk you through what to do and how to fix your iPhone if your text messages are not sending or not going through. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I have my iPhone here. I'll walk you through a few different steps that you can walk through, and we'll definitely get your iMessages sending, text messages sending again. So the first thing I'll do is open up Safari here, and then I'm just going to type in speed test on Google. So we want to run a quick speed test to just make sure that we have some internet connection, make sure something is working. You can see that right now the internet connection is really kind of slow, 10 megabytes per second. What I can always do is swipe down from the top right and toggle off Wi-Fi here. So once I've toggled off Wi-Fi, I can try to retry it, and see there, it's a little bit faster. My cellular data is a little bit faster, so make sure you use whichever one is a little faster, either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now, if those are plenty fast enough and that's not the issue, the next thing that you can do is head into settings here, and we'll scroll down until we find messages. Now, of course, you want iMessage to be toggled on, so if it's not toggled on, you can toggle it on. However, if it is on, you might want to toggle it off again, and then on, and you can see right under it says waiting for activation. And what this means is it's reactivating your iMessage. So, toggle it off, and then, 10 seconds later or so, toggle it back on. And let's scroll down a bit, and then you can see send as SMS. And what this means is, if it can't use iMessage, if your iPhone can't use iMessage to send that text, then it'll try to send it as a normal text message, not iMessage. So you want send as SMS turned on. So once you've gone through both of those steps, the next thing that I'll have you do is tap the power button and the volume up button and hold those down and slide to power off. So sometimes just restarting our phone reconnects us to the Wi-Fi, reconnects us to everything, and gets our iMessage working again so we can send out text messages as well. Now, the very last thing that you can do is let's get back out of here and then go to General and then scroll down until you find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on that and then hit Reset. Then you'll want to hit Reset Network Settings. And this kind of resets the core files that connect you to different Wi-Fi or cellular networks, and sometimes there's can be bug in that, and resetting that network settings gets everything working correctly at that point. Now, if you've gone through all those steps and there is, say, one specific person that you're trying to text, but they're not receiving your text messages back, there's always a chance that that person has either turned on airplane mode so they can't receive anything, or that they've blocked your phone number. So, potentially if they blocked you, you can send as many texts as you want to that person, but they won't receive them because they've blocked your phone number. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.